Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Naila Creations. Today I am sharing refreshing watermelon juice recipe. Wash a watermelon and cut it. By the way, if you like my videos then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. I am using one watermelon slice for this recipe. Chop the watermelon slice and remove the seeds. Put the chopped watermelon into a mixer jar. Add sugar as required. Add salt as required. Little lime juice. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and blend. Then open the lid and check if it is blended well. It didn't blend completely. Now I added 2 ice cubes. I am blending it again. Now it has blended well. Here I am straining the watermelon juice. Place a few ice cubes into glasses. Pour the watermelon juice into glasses. Here I am adding a few chopped watermelon pieces. I am garnishing it with mint leaf. Refreshing watermelon juice is ready. Thanks for watching.